Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, "Who is the most prestigious amongst people?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He who fears Allah Jalla Jalaluhu the most." They submitted, "We are not asking you about it." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then the most prestigious amongst people is Hazrat Yusuf Joseph alayhi salam, who is himself a prophet, the son of a prophet, the grandson of a prophet, and the great grandson of Hazrat Khalilullah." They submitted, "We are not asking about it." Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then you are asking me about the Arab tribe. The people are like minerals deposited in the mines. Those who were best in the period of ignorance are the best in Islam, provided they should comprehend the religious knowledge." Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam similar to the previous hadith. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3383.